Hello everyone, hi, this is Samyukta. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my summer outfit ideas and my summer collections 2021 part 2. Since you have already seen my part 1 collections, I hope you enjoyed that video. Stay with me on this one and let's get started. This is my first outfit. It's a version of jumpsuit. Since its length is only up to the ankle, it's also called play suit. It's a striped cotton play suit with 2 pockets and also wide straps in the front, which you can tie around your neck in the back. So open back outfit, really good for summer, and it's very comfortable. I'm pairing it up with white sneakers here, as well as I'm carrying my sling bag. And you can also add a shades. It's a pretty good day look. If you're running some errands, you're hanging out with your friends, it can be a really cool, comfortable look for your summer. I'm showing you wearing the shades. This is my second outfit. Here I'm wearing a gathered skirt, which is red and black combination, and a cotton material, which really sits well on my waist, and length is also really good. It's not too short or like not too long, and it's really good. And I'm pairing it up with my black top, which has the open in the front, which adds little drama to the outfit as well. Looks little more girly, and nice. And I'm pairing it up with my same sling, as well as my black block heels in here. It can be a really good night look for summer, and it's very comfortable and really nice girly look. This is my third outfit. Here I'm wearing a navy blue striped jumpsuit, and it has 2 pockets as well as a belt to tie around, and shoulder straps are really thin and it goes like that, open back, really good for summer. It's very comfortable and it can be a pretty good day or night look. I am pairing it up here with the silver color medium length heels, which will be like a good combination for navy blue. And also I'm carrying a clutch. Since it's my night look, I'm carrying the almost navy blue clutch here. This is really good. This is my fourth and my last outfit of the video. Here I'm wearing my blue shorts, which is really comfortable for summer, and I'm pairing it up with mustard yellow floral top, which has like thin shoulder straps and open back. It's really cool for the summer, and you can pair it up with the block heels. And I'm carrying here my Burberry sling, and it can be a pretty good day look if you're hanging out with your friends or family for a brunch. You can wear this outfit during the day. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my summer collections part 2. If you did, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos on food, fitness and fashion. Thank you for all the love and support. Till next video, take care. Bye bye.